Hey, good morning, Contrarian and Corrupt. Hey, what's up, RJ and Taban? Hey, good morning, Henry. What's up, Uche Amush? I think we're gonna be heading down and retest down here. Well, yeah, there's an M too. Might have to take this M right away. 5-minute M. One minute before the open. Probably only have like 10 seconds to decide to enter. The US drops to last place in economic freedom. That can't be good. This thing could just tank right now. I don't know, I'm gonna wait. I think it's okay. So it might just shoot up right now first before we go down. Let's see if it was wise that I stayed out. My stop would have been up here. On the daily, we got a daily bullish Kangaroo Tail showing though. And I don't feel like losing 500 within the first minute of the stream, so I'm gonna hold off and wait for an entry. Hey, what's up, Kendrick? Good morning to Harry and J. Daniel. It might actually be bullish today. It's that wick, that daily wick. I mean, look, we got a W on the daily too. Kangaroo on the bottom. What's up, G-Man? Are we bottomed out yet? Have we hit the bottom? I don't know, is it worth it to take the sell right here? Hey, what's up, Maria? Anybody enter that sell? Hey, what's up, Lennox? Good morning. Good morning, Oryx. It's looking like a tricky 5-minute candle, though, honestly. Right now, both directions look good. A buy looks good and a sell looks good. I think that's a problem. Damn, did anybody think that the Super Bowl was rigged at the end? That shit looked like they wanted LA to win. You let the teams play rough all game, and then in the final minute you throw fucking flags. I retired betting for the season after losing 2,400 on the 49ers. Interesting. Now we have... Okay, now... Thought we had 5-minute bearish divergence. Why is the market looking very tempting right now? I mean, if we make new highs here on the 5-minute, we have some pretty sick bearish divergence. I see bears where I think it's going to go up a little bit first. Like if you look here on the arrow layer. This wick right here. Maybe take sells like that. We'll see. But how likely is it that we go all the way up here? Back in this area? How likely is that? Well, remember last Monday it took me about an hour to finally find an entry I wanted to take. So I think it's wise to put a line there. I think it's wise. And I think we should watch the 5-minute chart. All right, we got bearish divergence now. We're almost to that high. By the way, Rucoin did hit 5 million market cap yesterday for a little bit. But a couple people wanted to ruin the momentum. Currently sitting at $4.8 million market cap. Hell yeah, Kendrick, we're up like 1.7 million% on the year. 1.7 million%. Insane number. I will say this though, we did pick up a lot of volume. But the trend continues up. If this closes as a KT, about 15 seconds, but we're not even up above that high. Just gotta have patience. That's what happened last Monday. It's looking very tempting for the sell right now. Yeah, what's up, Mark? I think this is a fake out to get buyers in right now. I'd want my stop like up here. But I want to wait a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Our record that we got to beat 11. We closed 1141 on Friday. We did finish out a profitable week last week. Let's check out that week. Yeah, these were all the trades we took last week for a recap. 2 wins, 3 losses, 1 break even. Yeah, it's gonna be a big sell, Mark. That's what I'm thinking. A big sell. Big sell. Any Kangaroo Tail and I'm in. We also got 15-minute bearish divergence. For the time being. Huge 1-minute divergence. Huge, huge, huge. Look at this. So 1-minute divergence, 5-minute divergence. There is this possible trend line. I mean, look at this trend. Like, we could easily hit here, boom. Trageza sucks, that's why. That's what happened to them. Yeah, I'm almost ready to pull the trigger. I like that candle. That's going to be a 5-minute candle for sure. I'm in. We're going to go for it. We go for the bottom retest down here. We'll see. We'll see, engine. We'll see if the big drop comes. We got this trend line to worry about though. But we have the divergence momentum. So yeah, my record to beat is 1141. I'm gonna try to have diamond hands all the way to the bottom here. I did put it. No, I put a TP at like, what is that? 1477. We might get the jump up though, and get owned. And it reverses straight up to a bullish Kangaroo Tail right away. That was pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. Might be a fake out here. What are you talking about, Ricky? Nothing's being dumped. We're at 4.81 million market cap. Yep, indeed, engine. Hit the like button right now. Come on, will this Kangaroo come in clutch today? I want to know who the Fox Business thumbnail designer is. Looks like we're going to start Monday off with a loss. Good game to me. That's how you lose $500 without getting pissed off. I don't think it was a horrible sell at all. Divergence, Kangaroo, I waited for an entry, I took it. Well, shit. I think I said my original bias was bullish too. That daily Kangaroo Tail. Yep, JD Daniel. It's easy to have regret after a trade. But I asked myself, would I take that sell again tomorrow? Yes, I would. I would take that sell again tomorrow. I just basically lit $500 on fire and I was fine with it. Guess I could look at the Rucoin chart for a minute. We got the new Rucoin website about to launch too. It's a pretty clean website. Pretty clean. And wow, just took off to the moon now. NASDAQ. pretty incredible at where we're at. I mean, considering when I did my first stream, we were at like $2,000 market cap. $2,000 market cap. Now it's risen to 4.8 million, peaked at 5 million yesterday. What's up, Into Blue? Into Blue, tell your holders that there will be stakeholder rewards. People that hold RU for a long time, let's put it this way, they'll be pretty happy. We got some big plans, Up we go, guys. 5 million market cap is obviously the resistance. And just to let everybody know, I have not taken even 1% of profits. Not even one. This sell really put us in a funk, though. This one right here. Some guy turned 7,000. No, he turned $7 into like close to 8,000 bucks off this sell. I tracked the wallet. It was some guy he bought on day one of the stream, so he was in the right place at the right time. That's how crypto works. Damn, I gotta figure out what the hell to do if I lose a trade right away. As much as it's hard to just take one trade a morning, you gotta stick to the plan. What's the point of taking another $500 trade? I don't think there is a point. Maybe. I wouldn't feel comfortable taking up to 3 trades for 500 on a $7,000 account. Definitely wouldn't want to do that. My heart can take a $500 loss right away, but I'm not ready for $1,500 losses. No, no, no. Maybe give me another year and I'll be down and take $1,500 losses. I'm too greedy. I'm too greedy, Tony. I don't like $300 trades. For some reason, closing $300 does not appeal to me. That is true, Tony. Evolution of a trader. I'd probably want about 25,000 in this trading account. But pretty soon I'll be getting bored of the $1,000 trades and I'll be like, oh, I want 2,000. I want 3,000. Oh my gosh, and then the dump comes. The dump finally came. I do think I did have a mistake though. I entered the trade before it retested that pink line. Well, on the contrary, it could have easily spiked down too. I mean, if we look, the volume, there wasn't enough volume to send that shit down. Boom. No, not too much, G-Man. Damn, whoever was able to get an entry down there. Nice little W. I'll show you a sneak peek of the new website. Still a couple things to add, but we got a pretty clean looking website. We got a roadmap. By March 1st, the first donation will be official. In April, we'll be launching Rue NFTs. Our goal is to hit $1 by December 31st. By January 2023, the goal will be to get Rue listed on major exchanges. Probably start with KuCoin and Binance and Coinbase. Added some stats. Still some things to be added to the website, but it's almost finished. Almost finished. Had to throw some stats up. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean. So, once that's finished, I got some new videos out on YouTube. We'll send this shit up to 10 cents. Also, the Rue is going to get a makeover. We're going to keep the face, but we're going to do a badass body. I do got to add a section for buying. Bam me. I asked the designer to add a pouch. So we're going to get mock-ups. There's going to be a pouch here with some money, but I wanted some more detail on the arms. No, that actually wouldn't be... That actually would not be bad to get made into a stuffed animal. Into blue, are we coming to a consensus that the Rue as is actually good? That's where the NFTs will be. The Rue NFT, the first Rue NFT will basically be a pimped out Joey here. We'll say when he's the 18-year-old version of the Joey. He's gonna go through evolution. Hey, I appreciate the feedback too. We got to come up with consensus. If most of y'all feel like that, then we don't need to do anything with it. Hey, what's up, entrepreneur? we will be adding a securities officer, VP of security. Can't have a crypto without a security manager. In fact, he was actually a former U.S. Navy SEALs. So the guy that's going to be helping us with security is a U.S. Navy SEAL, ex-U.S. Navy SEAL, I should say. Not too many cryptos have an advisor on their team that is a U.S. Navy SEAL. Look at that, NASDAQ is just going to go back up now. A lot of trickery. I do got to remind myself, last Monday it took me an hour. It took me a good hour to finally find an entry. So I think the game plan next Monday will be definitely don't enter a trade in the first 30 minutes. Yeah, I think the only thing we gotta do on Mondays is just wait. Just wait a little bit longer. But besides that, can't blame a loss on a Monday. Yeah, for sure, Torino. There's a couple, like, on the site. There's gonna be a button here that says, like, buy. There's gonna be some more stuff. Like, the website should be completely done by this afternoon for sure. And if anybody has suggestions on what I should add to the website, you might as well let me hear it now. Yep. I think this setup here was a 7-6 suited right there. Looks good, but not always the best to play. Yeah. We'll actually have a calculator for 3 price levels: the $1, $10, and 100. In fact, let's check out what it is. Let's do an updated price. Still can't figure out how to get the API to be firing off regularly without me having to retype it in. Wait, 29? Yeah. 29780. Save that. Now let me see. We added a Discord engine. Shit, did I even add the Discord to the bottom of the page? No, I did not. I'm slipping. Are you saying, let me check out the Doge site. You're saying Doge has a chat on the website? I'm on the Doge website now. Where is this chat you're seeing though? Yeah, Discord for Rucoin. I don't have a trading community one yet, Swag. I've been fairly lazy on building a Discord chat community for this trade group. Yeah, I'll give you guys the link. Hop in there. Especially if you are a Ru holder, hop in here right now. Let me find this. Where's this shit at? Oh. There it is. I always get lost on Discord. Still not used to it. Let's see. There you go. Any Ru holders, you want to make sure you jump in that chat. I do like how Shiba token has NFTs on the bottom. I can see Ru having that. Shiba developers actually did some good shit. I mean, not only are they making money off of just Shiba token, but I mean, they're also earning fees off their own swap. But this swap site is not BNB. It's just Ethereum. All they did was take Uniswap's code and forked it, made their own shit. No, emails are too dangerous. Too dangerous. If I enter a sell now, I'll probably lose. My next trade will be tomorrow morning. Damn, BNB. I don't think the bear run is actually over for crypto yet. I mean, if you look at BNB's daily, doesn't look too promising. Like, Bitcoin gives us the biggest clue. I'm still very, very bearish on Bitcoin hitting 30K. But Bitcoin did break this trend line. It did break this trend line, okay? You got to give that credit, right? And it's been following that trend line for how many days? For about a good 90 days. So after 3 months, it finally breaks the downtrend. But I don't know why. I just feel like there's going to be a wick down on 30K. I got rid of all of my Ethereum. I only have $40 worth of Ethereum. That's a pretty dangerous sell, though, to be honest. I mean, this trend line, I'm not saying it can't break, but it's looking pretty dangerous. If I were to throw $100 at this, I would definitely put in a buy, though. This was that picture I took yesterday when we hit 5 million market cap. It was a pretty beautiful number. Any smaller holders, keep in mind, even small sells ruins our momentum. Trust me, if all us OG holders hold until $1, okay, there's gonna be plenty. There's gonna be plenty. I know it's hard. I know it's hard to lay off the profits. Some of you guys have never seen that much profits that quick in your lifetime, so it's gonna be tough to have diamond hands. Yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with the buy. I mean, it's been following this trend. If it breaks, then it's just unlucky. You know, once you have your own coin, it's funny you see volume like this. You notice the same shit on the big charts. You see shit break, retest. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way. We've been in this area since February 7th, so... Good week of holding in this area. I mean, if we look at SHIB, like how much it went up like that, like it's actually hilarious. Like, okay, SHIB pumped up and then it fucking dumped right away. Now let's look at on KuCoin. Well, I marked this up November 14th. Almost got in that area. I mean, if you look at... Okay, let's take, for instance, like, SHIB on the daily, okay? This is kind of how RU looks right now, right? Jumped up, consolidated, what happened? But by this time, SHIB was already worth 40, 50 billion bucks. 40, 50 billion. It did take an 81% drop. I literally thought we were going to see the 90% drop. I thought we were going to see the 90% drop in crypto. Like right here. There we go. Now those buys are looking better. I can tell you what I did when I was broke and when I was 60K in debt and when I went bankrupt. I made YouTube review videos. That's what I suggest to anybody. If you're broke and you have no money and you're bankrupt, make a YouTube review video for anything you like. Hell, make a Sage FX broker video. Watch YouTube tutorials on how to make a YouTube review video. That's funny. That's funny. One of you sold some RuCoin as I'm talking about it. I gotta ask, why would you sell when I'm talking about it on stream? Like, I know who it is. Why would you sell when I'm on stream talking about it? Like, what is $400 and $300 gonna do for someone's life? Like, honestly, like, come on, let that shit grow. If anybody should be scared about RuCoin, it's me. I have the most money invested in it. Like, honestly, there's no fucking reason to be taking $300, $400 profits. We're going to the moon. A lot. Probably about 6 months ago, honestly. Like, does anybody realize how fast $300 will be gone? Especially when you sell, like, whatever. Like, if anybody sells, you know, it's pretty stupid. We're trying to hit goals, and like, I don't understand why you guys think $400 or $500 profits is cool. Like, oh, we're trying to get to $1, right? You want to help make this crypto the biggest fucking crypto in the world, right? Don't be an idiot and sell. Don't be an idiot and sell $400 or $500. I'm done ranting. No, exactly. Hell yeah, Just if you're one of those that's gonna buy the dip, do it. Like, I even tell people, if you hold, you'll have 100 times more profit than $300, $400. Like, patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. And the ones that stay loyal to holding Rue are going to be the ones that are going to be having the most rewards. Like, I'm telling you. Patience is a virtue. Like, I trust most of my whales, okay? I trust my whales. Like, I've gotten angry at some of my whales, but we're civil. We keep it cool, you know? We are the Rue Army, right? We are the Rue Army. There's two guys I know. Two guys I know that each put... Actually, three guys. I'll tell you how much. Okay, the first guy put $50 in. Yesterday, he looked at his wallet. He's up $29,000. Isn't going to sell 1% of it. Another guy put $50 in. He's up 27. He's up 27,000. He did take $500 profit, but he told me he's going to keep the rest running. So I mean, he put $50 in. He looks at 27. He did take 500 profit. That's no problem. Just don't dump 10, 20% of your holdings. Let it grow. You're part of the ground floor. Another guy put $100 in, and I think he's over. I think it's like 40,000 or 45,000. I don't know, something crazy like that. That's the most money he's been up. He hasn't sold 1% yet. Yeah, I don't know, Anjan. I would honestly just stay out of any trades on NASDAQ because, I mean, it's been consolidated for a good, basically an hour, right? Really hasn't moved anywhere in the last hour. Hell, and okay, if any of you do want to sell your Rue, hell, talk to me. Maybe we can schedule someone else to buy your coins right away so we don't take a dip on the market cap too much. Since we're only 200 holders deep, I mean, it's better to do that, yo. Just, you know, there might be somebody that is looking to buy some of your coins as soon as you sell. Like yesterday, someone sold and we got a buyback right away. Within 30 seconds. Didn't hurt the market cap at all. You got to think of it like this. NASDAQ and Dow are controlled by individual people in banks, right? With a click of the button, they can buy $50 million, $100 million worth of volume, right? If if those guys sell too much, I mean, the person over looking at them is going to give them hell, right? They're going to berate them. They're going to be like, yo, what are you thinking? What are you doing? Don't do that again. And people stay in order. Yeah, as long as you can get on Pancake Swap swag. As long as you can get some Bitcoin or BNB, you're good. There's a reason why I got that chatbot going. Learn about the biggest crypto gainer of 2022. Currently, right now, we are the biggest crypto gainer in 2022. So let's maintain that. We got 10 more months to go. We want an article on Forbes. We want to have a giant Rue party in person. Guys, just don't get mad at me when I do move to Arizona and Rue helps me fund getting a couple acres of land with the live kangaroo, okay? That's my goal in life, yo. Have a couple acres of land with a kangaroo running around. I won't buy a Lambo, but I will buy a kangaroo. He said advertise Rue in the newspaper. He said go old school engine? No, 7.7. I mean, it could still go up, but it's just not, you know... Tomorrow will be better. I don't think there's any reason to enter trade and rush it right now. Yeah, Sacker. We have to be listed on CoinGecko first. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I'm going to resubmit applications to those websites as soon as we get the new website up to there. Oh, well, and plus, I'm still waiting for the logo to be uploaded. The BSC scan network is so slow. Like, they've already approved my logo to be added to the app. But then it took them 2.5 weeks to get back to me. And then they finally said, thank you for your application. We've reviewed it. All you got to do now is click confirm that you want these changes. I click confirm. I send an email back. And it's been about 2 weeks. No, it's been about a week now. A week and a half. But Sacker, if you want to see your actual value, you can always hook up to a bogged. Hook up to bogged finance and you'll be able to see your dollar amount. Emails, you made 150? Yeah, because didn't the CEO delete his Twitter and then sell his shares? Yep. I mean, it's already been going down though, regardless. But ooh, 2 bearish Kangaroo Tails though. Oh my god, Moderna was definitely a 100% pump and dump. Look at what's at the top too. Bye-bye, Moderna, until the next health scare. Moderna will return on the next health scare. But you know what? If Moderna drops to coronavirus levels down here at $20, it's probably a good buy. It's probably a good buy, right? My question is, why do people still think Doge is going to go to $1? Doge couldn't even get to $1 even with Elon Musk. I'm 100% bearish on Doge. 100%. That's where Doge is going. You want to know why Doge is going down there? Because fucking Rue's going to take over. That's why. Rue's going to catch hype on all the kids that took losses on Doge. Rue's going to capture the Doge audience. Bullish Kangaroo Tail. Holy shit, I think I did call the Doge top. Because I did do some markups. Yeah, I did some markups in May. Yeah, I called the fucking Doge top. I mean, you can see why I marked that up. Because look at on the daily. Look at that huge bearish divergence on Doge. This is Doge BTC chart. But holy shit, yo. If you ever want to know when to sell a coin, probably after it's over $50 billion is a good time to be looking out for a top. That's a shit ton of money. I do have a horror story with Doge. Down here in November, I was looking at Doge at the absolute fucking bottom. Now, I was like, you know what, I should put $1,000 in Doge here. But the reason I did not put money into Doge right there is because, you know, ever since its existence, it was only popping up here, and that was only be like 400 to 500% gain. So I was like, nah. But, you know, how do you know? Like, there's no fucking way to know that a guy named Elon Musk is suddenly going to start pumping a coin called Doge at the he started pumping it at the very, very bottom. Okay, very, very bottom. And it just went crazy. But I did have a chance to put $1,000 at the absolute bottom. I just didn't because I didn't want 400 or 500% gains. You gotta expect the unexpected. 80 Apes, I want to hear your testimonial. 80 Apes, was it you that made some decent? I don't know if it was you for sure, but I got an idea. I think you had a pretty good testimonial. Hell, 80 Apes, if that was you, you should email me a testimonial. 88. Are you the guy that turned $7 into 8,000? You said what other coins? I'm not sure. I think Gala. I mean, Gala would be my only main buy. What else did I buy? I think I still hold like game credits. Let me see how game credits is going. I don't think that's going anywhere though. I do have some game credits, but I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. But I mean, game credits took a massive. We're talking about a massive pump in 2017. What the hell just happened? Like, this pump was so big, like, I mean... You can see why I bought game credits, okay? I bought game credits at the bottom. I thought it was going to get another pump up, but it just never took the Goliath push up. Like, it hit a high of like $7. I bought it like 10 cents. I was thinking, you know, it's not a bad idea. Now, I was up... Okay, get this. I was up about $7,000 off my $1,000 investment on game credits. But I did not take my profits. I did not take my profits up there because I thought a potential pump could come like that. It never came. It never came. Stayed at the bottom. I did have some library credits, but the SEC ruined that fun. SEC fucked that up. Yeah, okay. I got in library credits down here. Same thing, I was up about maybe 5,000 off 1,000. SEC came in, price tanked. Price tanked pretty fast. Thank you, SEC. Library credits messed up when they launched because they offered an ICO in the United States, and you can't offer ICOs in the United States because that's what happened. The SEC will hunt your ass down. That's why RuCoin will never do an ICO or anything like that. You do an ICO and you're asking the SEC to come knocking on your door. The buys are finally working. I think I'm going to hop off stream now, guys. We did enough crypto analysis. I took my $500 NASDAQ loss. But next Monday, we're going to wait. We're not going to enter any trades until at least an hour. At least an hour. I mean, that was actually a pretty nice kangaroo right there. Trend line. Yeah, that was perfect, actually. Oh, wait a minute. There was actually some bullish divergence, too. It's funny how you notice this shit after the fact. Like, why do I not notice this before the fact? Let's see if there was. Looks like there might have been slight. Yeah. From right here, from this candle. Wait, actually a little more, like right here. Look how that wick just taps there. But this, I mean... Wow, that's an easy trade right there. That would have been the $1,000 winner right there. Looks like it's almost up about 2 hours. So, probably the best entry of the morning, no doubt. Divergence, trendline, Kangaroo Tail below the trendline. Boom. Fortunately, didn't take the win though. Oh. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna hop off now. Thank you for tuning in. As always, new RuCoin website will be up this afternoon. Still gonna be a good day. Yep, catch you tomorrow, swag. Catch you later in the blue. Yo, in the blue, man, I gotta catch your number. You gotta whisper me on Twitch your phone number. We got text up, yo. Keep up some Ru updates. Later there, Mr. Master. Yep, no problem, Sacker. See you there, Timon. Y'all have a good rest of the day. Let's make some money tomorrow. Later, business.